Welcome back to Worth Old Coin Value. Before we begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button because every week we uncover hidden treasures that might just be sitting in your pocket or tucked away in an old drawer. Today, we're talking about a coin that holds the heartbeat of a nation, a piece of history that shines brighter than its silver surface. The 1 dirham coin from 1973, 1393 of the United Arab Emirates. Let's travel back in time. The year was 1973. The United Arab Emirates was still in its early years of formation, having come together just 2 years earlier, in 1971. It was a new dawn for the Gulf, a time of unity, promise, and pride. The oil fields had begun to change everything: the economy, the skyline, and the dreams of the people. Amid this transformation, the UAE issued one of its earliest coins, the 1 dirham, marking a symbol of its sovereignty and strength. On one side of this historic coin, you'll see the elegant Arabic numerals showing the year, 1393 in the Islamic calendar, corresponding to 1973 in the Gregorian. On the other side rests the denomination in Arabic, surrounded by the bold words, United Arab Emirates. Simple, yet powerful. It's not just metal. It's a piece of a young nation asserting its identity to the world. Now imagine what life was like then. The UAE was still building its foundation, with small towns beginning to bloom into what would become global cities. That 1 dirham could buy you a hearty meal or a small bundle of dates from the local souk. It was part of everyday life, exchanged by fishermen, traders, and families dreaming of a brighter future. This coin was in their hands as history unfolded around them. Many collectors don't realize that the 1973 dirham was among the first coins to bear the official name of the United Arab Emirates. It represented a nation stepping confidently into the modern world. The Arabic calligraphy, the balanced circular design, the precise weight. Every detail reflected the craftsmanship of the time. These coins were minted not just for trade, but for legacy. For older collectors, especially gentlemen who grew up in the 1960s and 70s, this coin is more than just a collectible. It's a memory of a time when the region was changing faster than anyone could imagine. Owning one feels like holding a fragment of that transformation, a silent witness to the birth of a modern state. What makes this coin truly fascinating is its rarity. Most of these early dirhams were used heavily in circulation, worn down by decades of trade and exchange. Very few remain in pristine, uncirculated condition. A perfectly preserved 1973 dirham, with its original shine and no scratches, is like discovering a time capsule from the earliest years of the Emirates. Collectors across the world are now hunting for such pieces, knowing that as time passes, their value can only rise. But this isn't just about money or metal. It's about meaning. Each coin tells a story, and this one tells the story of ambition, unity, and identity. It's a reminder of how far the UAE has come, from the desert sands to the towering skylines we see today. For coin enthusiasts aged 55 and above, who have seen the world change before their eyes, this 1 dirham coin connects you to that very feeling of watching something new rise from tradition, of progress without forgetting the past. It's not only a collectible, it's a conversation starter, a family heirloom, a historical artifact that bridges generations. If you happen to find one in your old collection, or maybe your father or grandfather kept one safely, take a close look. The minting year, 1973 to 1393, is the key. The sharper the edges, the clearer the details, the more valuable it becomes. Many have been lost to time, but those that remain can fetch unbelievable prices among serious collectors and investors. The charm of the 1 dirham 1973 isn't just in its silver gray shine, it's in the power of nostalgia. Every scratch, every mark on it tells a journey of trade, travel, and transformation. Holding it, you can almost hear the bustling souks, the laughter of children, and the sound of merchants counting coins under the golden desert. Next time you come across an old coin, don't dismiss it as worthless. It could be a window into history or your ticket to a small fortune. And now, the question everyone's waiting for: what's the value of this remarkable piece today? Well, in the world of collectors, condition is everything. A circulated 1973 to 1393 1 dirham might sell for a few hundred or $1,000, depending on its preservation. But a flawless mint-condition specimen, one that shines as if it just left the mint untouched and unhandled, has been valued an astonishing $3 million. Yes, you heard that right. $3 million for a single coin that once bought you a loaf of bread or a handful of dates. That's the magic of history, the reward of rarity, and the beauty of collecting this coin. 1973 to 1393 1 dirham, United Arab Emirates coin history. Imagine holding a coin that has traveled through the markets of Dubai, the trading ports of the Gulf, the busy pockets of workers far from home, and the silent keepsakes of collectors who knew its worth before the world did. This coin, United Arab Emirates 1 dirham coin of the year 1998, also marked with the Islamic year 1419, is more than metal. It is a story of a young nation forming its identity and stepping into the modern era with pride. This coin was minted at a time when the UAE was rapidly transforming from a developing desert nation into a global center of business, finance, and modern living. The dirham itself had already become a trusted symbol of stability in the region, used by merchants, travelers, and families building their future. A 1998 dirham passed through hands that were working hard, dreaming big, and shaping the country we recognize today. When you look closely at this coin, the elegant Arabic calligraphy isn't simply decoration. It reflects the cultural strength of the Emirates, a reminder that traditions were never lost in the wave of modernization. The number 1419, the Islamic Hijri year stamped on the coin, aligns with 1998 in the Gregorian calendar. Together, these dates mark a bridge between heritage and progress, a harmony that defines the UAE. On the reverse side, the iconic Arabic coffee pot stands proud, a symbol of hospitality and warmth. Anyone from the older generation knows the meaning of that pot. It represents gatherings, conversations, negotiations, family bonds, and the respect shared among people. For the 55-plus audience watching today, that coffee pot isn't just a design. It's a memory. It's your father greeting a guest. It's your uncle sharing news from the market. It's the warmth of a culture that has always valued generosity. Now imagine this coin circulating in the late 90s, an era before smartphones, before the glittering skyline reached its modern height, and before many of today's young population were even born. This coin is a witness to the transformation of the UAE. Every scratch, every mark, and every worn edge tells a chapter in its journey. Collectors around the world appreciate these older dirham coins not only for their craftsmanship, but also for their historical placement. Many collectors from India, Pakistan, the UAE, and across the Gulf search for clean, well-preserved pieces dated 1998 because the minting numbers were lower compared to heavily circulated modern issues. While most of these coins remain common in use condition, the untouched, crisp, uncirculated ones are far harder to find. And in the world of coin collecting, rarity isn't only about how many were minted. It's about how many survived in excellent condition. For many of you who are older, you understand the value of preservation. You've seen how things from your youth disappeared as time passed. The toys you played with, the old radios, the permits, the currency notes, the coins. Many are gone or damaged, and only a few survive in perfect form. The same happens with coins. And those few survivors can sometimes shock the world with their value when collectors compete for them. But listen carefully, because this is the moment most viewers wait for. Every coin has a story, but some coins gain extraordinary value when two conditions meet: a rare mint condition and the presence of a powerful collector who wants it at any price. In the high-stakes world of elite auctions, where wealthy collectors chase prestige, history, and personal passion, a coin can sometimes leap far beyond its normal worth. Oh, imagine this coin, 1998 1 Dirham coin history.